Good morning from my first day in Incheon. I'm going to go to Chinatown, which is like 15 minutes ride from here. So I'll get my coffee first, take a little bit of walk, and then head over to Chinatown. Now I got my coffee and I'm walking to the train station. I'll take the metro to Chinatown and enjoy there a little bit. I also plan to find a nice cafeteria there and do a couple of hours work while I'm there. Here there's a little fruit market where they're selling fruits, obviously, and the prices are relatively cheap for Korea. And all these aunties and uncles are getting their fruit. Now I'm taking the metro. One ride costs around $1, which is a good price for Korea. I like how the subway stations here are always vibrant. It's like its own ecosystem. They sell clothes, they sell food, they sell coffee. There are 7-Elevens, so especially the big ones. They're like little shopping malls with a lot of good food in it. One thing I like here is also they have toilets in the stations, which doesn't happen in many countries. So you can just use it while you're here. Now I'm at Incheon. Pretty close to the airport actually, but Incheon is a town as well, not just the name of the airport. And I'm going to go to Chinatown. As you can see, there are a lot of local tourists as well, so obviously it's a touristy spot and we're always welcomed with this big gate like every other Chinatown, and we're going to discover it a little bit today. This is also a police station in Korea. Even their police stations are cute. I don't want to hold the camera too long there because you never know, in different countries. And there are 2 police officers here protecting us. And this is how the gate looks from a little further away. After eating something, because I haven't eaten yet, I'm going to walk through all that and discover Chinatown. And this is the entrance to Chinatown. It goes a little steep up. Looks beautiful. I already ate, so I'm just going to walk around. Maybe find a place. Well, I have one coffee, but maybe find like a coffee place to sit down and work a little bit. And then apparently there's a fairy tale village nearby. I'm going to head over there. A little more of Chinatown. I'm just discovering, like, entering these little shops. I'll just walk around a little more before I find like a coffee place. It's beautiful. Now I'm one street above, where there are a lot of shops. It is obviously touristy, but what I like about it, it's mostly like local touristy. I only see Koreans, almost never seen any like international people, and I like it because if local tourists go to a place, it means that that is good. He looks hungry. I think I was so busy showing around Korea, enjoying my time, I forget to show my face in the videos. And I know it's important to show your face every now and then because these videos are also about me interacting with you guys. So here's my face and here's my coffee. Another interesting place is Emperor Stairs in Chinatown. And these beautiful buildings next to them. And a ferocious Asian warrior here, as you can see. There's an explanation, but only in Korean, so I can use Google Translate to check it. So here's the entrance. Gives a little bit of a Disneyland vibes, but people taking photos, cute shops. Let's see what else is here. From what I can see, it's a lot of buildings with Disney characters mostly, or fake versions of them, I'm not sure. And yeah, I guess the thing to do here is just walk around and see these graffiti paintings and figures in every corner of the area, which is called the Fairy Tale Village. There's a nice graffiti wall here, which is more Korean. I like it. Alright, I kind of forgot to make videos, so now here's another video at a place called Volmido Park. It's like a little theme park here, and a lot of beautiful trees, beautiful areas. So we're going to discover this part a little bit. Beautiful area in the park, just green, green, green. There's apparently a theme park further down, so we're going to discover that. But this by itself is a lot of fun and beautiful as well. I think I'll record a lot of videos in Korea because each part is beautiful. It's just fun to walk around and record, so you guys also feel like you're traveling with me. Here's an amusement park that the owner of my hostel recommended. I'll check it out, see if there's anything that I'm interested in riding. Let's see.
저 하얀 가디건 옷 벗고 있는데요. 괜찮아. 겨드랑이 깔끔하잖아. 처음. 남았을 때 진짜 이렇게까지 안 하려고 그랬거든. 제가 힘이 너무.
It's a beautiful view of Seoul here. This is very boardwalk style in the US. In US there are many cities that are next to the sea, and they have these boardwalks where you can walk by the sea. There are a lot of statues, activities going on, and a lot of shops. So I find this very similar to that concept. Here's some more beauty. I'm just walking by the boardwalk. It's the same path that I'm following. Also offers a nice view of Seoul. It's a very nice, calm, relaxed area here. And there's another amusement park over there, so I'll go and check it out. I think that's the bigger one, comparing it to what we have just seen. So now I'm heading back. First I'll take the bus to the metro station because it's a little far now. And then I'll take the subway and head home. Now, next is, I just got off the bus. I'm going to enter Incheon station and take the train to the connecting metro line. I'll be home in around 40-45 minutes. Here I am again, near at the market near my accommodation. So I'm back. I'm going to go to the same place that I had dinner yesterday. Enjoy a beautiful dinner there. And then yeah, I'll go back home, work a little bit, and then I'll take a late night walk. Now that I'm here earlier than yesterday, there's a little more life here, more people, more stores open. You can find different things, Korean food, street food, fruits, vegetables, a lot of different variety. Okay, I came to the same place now, and today they have some different stuff as well. And how it works here is basically they have a fixed price. You pay 8,000 won, which is like $5, and then you can fill this plate as much as you want. Here's my plate, a mixture of everything, very Korean. Soup and some seaweeds. Again, all this for $5, and I can refill these as much as I want. It's insane. I'm taking one evening walk, 11 p.m. I was in my room for the last couple of hours doing some work. Now just enjoying a little walk and then going back to my place. And once again, let me show you my street because I'm already home. I love the street where my hostel is. It's this one, beautiful, with the lamps, with the light, everything. It's a lovely, typical Korean street. And yeah, good night, y'all. See you tomorrow.